Karbi lo Charlie Asong atum arsik jitpen perang kami ke papon. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Karbi Anglong aphan ke super state si nangki pi popu aputhak Karbi lo Charlie Asong atum perang kami phasi ningkang samsi kachepeklang pon.
Super state now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Super state now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Super state now.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Patumi Tereni Pai Troxy Urmi Arni Tili Porpa Isia Pormalom Karbi Lo Charlie Asong atum Patir PC District Press Club of Karbi Anglong Asai Himalong Perang Kami Kepadupon. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma Dipunang Kahumri Ahut Perangki atum Autonomous State aputhak Karjo Ahut Karbi Anglong aphan ke Autonomous State kali Super State lo pu aputhak Karbi Lo Charlie Asong atum Perang Kami phasi ningkang samse kachepeklang pon.
We, the Karbi Student Association, vehemently condemn the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, for mocking the autonomous state issue by making sarcastic remarks on the autonomous state issue by calling out Karbi Anglong as super state, which have no provision in the Indian constitutions. Such comments from the Chief Minister is highly condemnable for insulting and hurting the aspirations and sentiments of the people of Karbi Anglong. And also, the Chief Minister of Assam must be aware that implementation of Article 244A or autonomous state is the long-standing demand and sacred aspiration of the people of Karbi Anglong. And hence, insulting and mocking the autonomous state issue will be not tolerated by the people of Karbi Anglong and also by the Karbi Student Association. And therefore, we, the Karbi Student Association, appeal the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, to take the issue of implementation of Article 244A or the issue of autonomous state in serious manner and implement it at the earliest and stop playing with the emotions of the people of Karbi Anglong, or else we, the Karbi Student Association, will boycott him as the Chief Minister of Assam and also stop him from coming into Karbi Anglong. So this is our main demand, or this is our main appeal that we would like to make to the Chief Minister of Assam and also to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Rongham, that playing with the emotions of Karbi Anglong will not be tolerated by the Karbi Student Association. Because of this autonomous state issue, because of this implementation of Article 244A, many people of Karbi Anglong have sacrificed their life, sacrificed their property, sacrificed their houses, sacrificed their families. Hence, playing with such emotions and mocking on our sentiments, on our emotions, on our core demand of implementation of Article 244A will be not tolerated. So we vehemently condemn Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma and also the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council leaders for keeping silent and also for mocking on the issue of Article 244A. Such
Karbi Anglong Siloni Janpen Govin Diso Report Biswanath Karbi Live.